now and do it straight at me. Boy, looking that way. You're gonna be like, dude, that's fucking dope.
Oh shit! Hold on, wait. Bro, that is awesome, man. Yeah, I didn't even think about that shot. That's a cool shot. The intense stare is what makes it even cooler.
About 12 months ago, Reaper and I, we decided that we wanted to start a milsim team. And not only did we want to start a milsim team, but we want to start or create the best milsim team in Houston, Texas. That was our original dream. The footage that you're seeing right now is about 14 months old. This is from Reaper's backyard where we used to train when there was just 2 of us before we had the team of 20 that we have now. We would practice with 350 FPS AEGs at around 20 feet to 25 feet was probably our furthest shot. We always had this idea that we were going to be something greater than we started off as, and we started off with really meager equipment with 0 training facilities. The only training facility, I say that loosely, that we had was his backyard, and so we had to make the best of it. We would set up cardboard and chairs and tables and use the pillars of the house or whatever we could to make a combat training zone to where we could train force on force. And we always liked the idea of force on force training. So we would reach out to our friends and anybody that we knew that was interested in firearms, and we would tell them about Airsoft. And when they would shrug it off at first because they'd think it's something like their kid brother or their cousin plays, with like Springers or crappy little AGs. But we would show them that there was a better form of it out there, and you could use that to simulate force on force training. And if you look at people like say for example Travis Haley, he promotes cross training with airsoft weapons.
Sights back on target. So again, it's not totally real, but again, I'm working through those fundamentals. If I'm working on just feet work or maybe doing a stage or something, I can do it on the cheap by using airsoft and then test that training with live fire. So again, recap on that. Looking for a gun, make sure it's a reputable gun. Make sure it's going to last for you, and make sure you can set it up consistently to what you use as a live fire gun.
And so we took that idea from Travis Haley. We were Reaper and I were both originally into prepping and to survival, and we were into firearms and things of that nature, knives, all that good stuff. And when we saw the Haley video a long time ago, we were like, yep, that's what we're gonna start doing. And so we started small, and the idea became a dream, and that ended up progressing into the reality that it is today. I'm gonna take you along that journey along with my buddy Reaper, who is the other CO of Team Alpha Recon, and show you how we developed that team over the past year with footage that we have taken from different events and different training scenarios that we've been in during that year period of time.
He's on his right side right there.
That's a good hit.
Oh, hit. Hit.
As you can see, our first experience against Polar Stars wasn't that great. This is Paintball Zone South. This was the first legit field we played at as a team. Well, if you could call two guys calling themselves a team. But we had that team mentality, and when people saw us play together, they could tell that we were teammates.
Hey, he's in the same spot.
I was pretty out of shape when this was filmed. I was about 25 pounds heavier than I am now, maybe 20 pounds. But yeah, I was definitely a lot heavier. I didn't earn the nickname Extra Large for nothing. But yeah, 11 months later, and you know, I look back at this footage and I kind of laugh at myself and how heavy I was breathing and everything. But I mean, it was a pretty tiring field to play on because everything was fallen and dead. Like, you can see all the trees are pretty much dead. All the foliage is like off of them except for the very tops. Tons of broken down trees. It was a really cool place to play though, especially for your first team skirmish experience.
Bro, I gotta turn my hop up. Bro, one of us has got to go up that gully. You hear me? One of us has got to go up that gully.
Look, I'm going to get where you were at.
Okay. Yo, watch that left side. How many are left? You have visual? What side? Front side? He's on the left side of the tree. You're hitting those limbs. Yeah. Hold on, bro. Changing mouths. They're not even looking this way. Alright, fucking it. Let's move. Ready? Go. Alright, provide cover and fire. We're moving up. Go. Alright. Y'all take it too. Move to the right. Cover. Ready? Make it fucking hit. You can walk. Second floor! Second floor! Guys, get over. Recon team, this way.
Okay, I got you.
To the spool! To the fucking spool! Are you guys good? Are you hit? Are you good? Okay. Hey, to your right side is down right there. Hey, I'm moving up that fucking mound. I'm moving up that mound. With my pass fire. Go! Stay down, stay down.
We gained a little bit of popularity after Operation Gridwall, and so we were invited to play against a team named Blackwire with another team that's no longer around at one of our now training locations, the Firefields. And we had an outstanding day as a team that day, and it was the first time that we really came together and really showed what we could do if we're in complete control of a situation.
He called us hit? No, he ain't called it hit. I did, but he ain't cooked. He's in the door. Bottom door. First floor. So, you want to make a step for that ladder? I got your cover, dude. Go for it. What? I know, that's why I didn't want to burn off to the front building. They were closer, so they got him on our back. All right, go. He's right there. Front door. Hey, look. On the count of three, you in the first floor. That door to the right. All right, ready? I'm gonna count down 1, 2, 3, go. Just put it underneath your strap. All right, let's roll. They need us. They really can't fucking hit us. They're looking right at you. See him on the roof of the building?
Oh, yeah, he is. Son of a bitch.
Hit him, dude. Here, take a kneel position so you're real steady. Because he ain't got a DMR. Hey, put fire up in that window. Put fire up in that window. Yeah, just any of them. Just start firing up in there. Spray the whole building. Yeah, go ahead. Alright, come on. They're in this building right here. Hey, they're in this building right here. In that door. Okay. Shoot your grenade up in that door, dude. Hey. Hey, get hit this. Hey, go watch this corner right here. You got range. Because they might come and try to flank us. Bye-bye.
How's it going, everybody?
It's Team Out for Recon.
I'm XLARGE.
And I'm Reaper.
And we're going to be talking about a game we played against a team called Blackwire. It's a team out of Texas. And we played at this place called the Firefields. I can't really disclose the location because it's a private field. 1 week after the Blackwire game, we decided we were going to create a YouTube channel for our team. And we created about 4 videos in a span of about 5 hours. It was like a couple of reviews, a YouTube intro for our channel, and then this video, which is us describing the Blackwire scenario. And the video actually got pretty popular. It had the most amount of likes of all our videos for the longest time. And I still think it's got some of the most amount of likes from all of our videos, but we saw the recognition we were getting from our Instagram, so we decided to branch out onto all sources of social networking, and we made a Facebook page, a Twitter, and a YouTube all around the same time, and we started like intermingling them together to create a network. And that's how we started generating a buzz in the local Houston area. And then all of a sudden we started getting private messages and DMs on different social media of people asking to be on the team. And when that started happening, we started getting recognition from companies out there, you know, and one of the main ones that I can think of off the top of my head was Watcher 6 Clothing. Our friends out in California, they like the way that we do our business. They like the way that we do our team and our videos and our pictures on Instagram. So they sent us out some shirts to model for some pictures for their Instagram, and then, you know, things kind of picked up from there, and it kind of developed into a sponsorship / partnership, you know, to where, you know, we promote their gear and they hook us up with gear and things like that. And by the time the next grid wall rolled around, we had really came into our own as a team and have developed our own styles and our own methods. And we noticed that people started coming up to us at the ops, and they were knowing who we were. They knew who we were, and they would ask us about our YouTube or our Instagram, and it was just kind of crazy.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome.
And then where I go from there?
Team Alpha Recon.
What?
Sure, because you can't really.
At this grid wall, we have collected about 4 extra teammates at this point, and some of these guys aren't with us anymore, but they were strong assets to the team when they were on the team.
Where you at, Reed? He's right there. Forward, don't let yourself get bogged down here. Copy that. We're going to reestablish, and then we're going to push around to this other side.
Push forward. Keep going
Let's
forward.
Go around, and let's go down this side right here. You ready?
Let's go forward.
Knighton. You ready?
Shadow, where you at?
Where's the rest of our team?
Dad, where you at?
Shadow. Hey. Yeah, you ready? In that gap right there. Yeah, in the gap right there. You ready? Look. We gotta push the power right here.
I remember this grid wall really well because this is the grid wall where I figured out that the only role I wanted to play was designated marksman. I loved it. Like, I'd upgraded this gun and G-hopped it right before this grid wall, and I immediately fell in love with the role of the designated marksman. And then that was my goal from then on, was to be the designated marksman for our team.
It already popped by now. There was one.
No, I told him I would be running. I know, I see them. I can't really hit them though.
See, the ladies in the orange vest, those are are team photographers slash camera women, and they also happen to be mine and Reaper's girlfriend slash fiancés. April's my fiance and Cassandra's Reaper's girlfriend.
Hold up. Look. Come on, let's see how this open field. This time? Okay, sweet. We need to make Hey! Yeah, nice. We're gonna make it good. There's no medics in this match. I don't think they know that. Get up, get up.
By this point in time, we had gained a pretty big following, and we had got about 17 members on the team at this point. And we decided to not only do TAR for the adults, since we had a lot of guys who brought their sons to the areas that we practiced, we decided to incorporate them into TAR by creating the junior team. And this was the day that we announced that we were creating the junior team. The place that you're seeing right now is a private training facility that TAR uses exclusively. And the reason why we get to play here is because of our good friend Blocker. And without him, we wouldn't be able to play here. And he's also one of our junior team members, Pidge. That's his dad. We now practice every Sunday at the towers. And we have learned a lot from practicing in this environment.
Come in, HQ, come in. This is Reaper. We have taken the hill. Send in the technician to confirm completion. Over.
Roger that, Reaper. Sending the technician now. Over.
Boy.
The footage you're seeing here is from Operation Gridwall, the Federation 3. And we had had several grid walls since the last footage of the grid wall you'd seen. And at this point, we had probably about 20 people at this grid wall on our team. And we had also picked up some extra guys that hadn't been on a team and hadn't really played before. And so we decided to scoop them up and give them a little bit of direction. And you'll see them throughout the video. They're not wearing our normal uniform. Our normal uniform that we're wearing in this video is ACU in black. And you can distinguish most of our players by that. In this certain scene, we had gotten splitting up from the main group, so I assembled a small fire team out of some guys that I just found, and then 2 of our members, TAR Boz and TAR Tank, and we'd found these guys, and we found one guy named 10K who had a LMG, and so we decided to take him with us, and we were going to push up and see if we could find the main group.
Is this all friendly right here? Are you dead? Are you dead?
Yeah.
Okay. Are they friendly?
Yes. There's one laying down right there, and there's another one laying down. One needs a medic, one's just sitting there.
Okay. Okay, gotcha.
I'm not sure if it's friendly.
Let's go.
I think he is though.
Come on. Come on. Come on. Guys. Guys. 2.
We ended up not finding the main group till later. We did get into a certain engagement and ended up supporting a group that was capturing objectives. And we ended up helping them capture 2 objectives, and then we linked back up with the team.
Guns up. Guns up. You hang back with me. You're going to be my support. Yeah.
There's like five guys friendly, and they're pinning down.
Okay. Get down! Get down!
Get down!
Guys, get down. Are they capping an objective right here?
Yes, take over the tank.
Okay. Guys, we're flanking. Come on. Yeah.
We got a bunch of dead Americans coming from that way.
Okay. Hey! 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 Guys! U.S. forces, listen to me! We are getting flanked from this side. We need 4 or 5 guys to switch over with us right now.
Later that day, we met up at the tire field after the break, and the sides had switched. And when we got on this side, we really did some damage. And you can see right here, I was just wrecking with the M16. Everybody was just pushing up. Reaper was shooting people. Everybody was just shooting everybody. And we ended up pushing all the way up to this silo and found a bomb. And so that ended up completing this objective for us. We had a really great time playing out at tanks. It was probably the coolest thing we'd done so far at this point in our MilSim careers. And we look forward to the Gridwall series next year.
We're damn well.
I doubt it. I doubt it. We're all a bunch of fucking weirdos. That's what we are.
Yeah. He's got a point there.
That's the first thing I'm going to do.
It's awesome, dude.
My safety glasses on first though, you know, and then dude, I want to be safe when I'm doing this.
Hey, we're white. It's okay.
Hey. What's up, man?
What's up?
What's your name?
Boz.
Boz. Let's go. That's cool, man. So how are you enjoying your day out here at Operation Gridwall?
Other than getting my neck lit up, it's been absolutely wonderful.
Awesome, awesome.
Done a lot of stuff I've never done before.
It's awesome. Cool. How do you like running with the TAR?
Nothing wrong with it at all.
Yeah.
Absolutely wonderful.
That's cool, man.
Everybody is so cool.
You like the teamwork?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, awesome, man.
Oh yeah.
All right, good talking to you, man.
Never seen teamwork like that before.
They tried to steal it from me. I think like 4 matches. How would you do it? You have to do it flat.
What's going on, man?
Not much, just I'm getting ready for the next round. Got my Charge 21, M9 PTP, and just getting ready to kick ass.
Is that a TAR?
Yes, sir.
That's awesome, man.
It's a tar, like...
Tar, what team are you on?
Tar!
Yeah, there you go. What's your name?
Thomas.
Thomas? What's your call sign?
I don't have one yet.
So you're nameless?
Nameless.
That's your new nickname. That's sick, right? What's up, man? What's your name?
What's up? Arthur.
Arthur? What's your call sign?
Spartan 01.
Spartan 01, man. What gun are you running?
This is a friend's gun. I'm running a Chris Vector.
Oh, yeah, that's an expensive-ass gun right there. That's awesome. So how are you liking out here at Operation Gridwall?
It's pretty well. I mean, I've been here since day one, so
yeah.
They've been really good with.
You like the way that they kind of turn it around?
The way that they turn it around.
Yeah,
and stuff
doing
like
the missions and stuff. Yeah, it's a lot different than it used to be. I prefer them better. Definitely improvement. So how do you like playing with Team Alpha Recon?
Oh, it's awesome, man. I love the environment that y'all set up.
Yeah, man. Do you like the teamwork that we do?
Yeah.
And squad tactics and everything?
Yeah, squad tactics. I'm down for that.
Yeah, man. Well, we're glad to have you, dude. I'm glad you enjoy it,
Glad
man.
to be here.
Yeah.
I hate that song. It's like
What's going on, man?
I'm Tar Tank.
Hey, we take come back, you know what I'm saying?
So what's your name, man?
Tar Tank.
Tar Tank. All right, tank, like a tar tank.
Tar Tank.
All right. Yeah,
This field is named after me.
Yeah, this field is actually named after this man, Tank here.
So I'm pretty special.
So how do you like playing for Team Alpha Recon?
I love it. It's fun. You don't know what you're gonna get. It's a lot of fun.
You like the team play, the squad tactics
Yes,
and everything?
sir.
Yeah, that's awesome, man. How do you like it out here at Operation Gridwall?
It's fun. Besides all the people not calling their hits,
Yeah.
it's a lot of fun though.
Yeah, I hear that.
Working together as a team.
Yeah, that's cool, man. What's your real name?
Joshua.
Joshua?
Yes, sir.
Okay, how old are you?
I'm 14.
14, you're on the junior team?
Yes, sir.
All right, that's cool, man. I like your manners.
Thank you.
All right, man. Well, nice talking to you.
You're in the mood, I'll let you borrow my gun and get some spaces. We don't even know how the song.
Yeah.
We don't even know the song, we're just like that.
I just jumped in here and just started dancing.
We whip out the pistol with Bang! Bang! She saw your bang! Calm down.
TAR dance party. All right, guys.
She saw your bang! Calm down.
TAR dance party. All right, guys. Has everybody eaten?
Yep.
All right. That's cool. Y'all ready to go?
Yeah, we're ready to get some.
All right. Let's start loading up our mags and get our gear on.
Are you kidding me? I've been ready for the past hour.
Yeah.
Hey, come on, I like it.
Hey, what's out there, big boy?
30? Okay.
30 minutes.
All right. Well, you're on 12? Channel 12? All right. We'll get in touch with you on command net.
I'm gonna go get Chrono, brother.
All right, man.
Is that cool?
Yeah, do your thing, dude. That's Jax. He's running the G&G GR4 G26. What's up, man? What's your name?
Wolf.
Wolf?
Yeah.
What's going on, man? What have you been doing today at Gridwall? You been sniping?
Been sniping.
Yeah. How you like that?
Yeah.
Good. Yeah. It's kind of awkward out here, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Especially when people don't call their hits unless you fully auto them. Yeah. Everybody knows about that shit.
Yeah, I got one uncalled hit and I got pretty mad and I just walked off.
That's cool. Do you have a nickname or are you just running your
Wolf?
Wolf. Okay.
Yeah.
What's your real name?
Jeremiah Thompson.
Jeremiah Thompson. Okay. Nice to meet you, man. How do you like running around with TAR?
Pretty awesome. I
Yeah.
like the teamwork and everything.
Yeah, there you go, man. Do you like the whole setup that they have out here at Gridwall? Yeah. You like how they kind of do the mission based, kind of turn it more milsim than airsoft?
Yeah.
That's awesome, man. Well, good talking to you, man.
The blue barrels are kind of.
Diz.
Yeah.
Hey.
You already know.
Yeah. What's up, man? You've been on camera with us before.
Too many times.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So how's it going, man?
That's pretty good. We had a pretty bad day at the beginning.
Yeah. Well, hey, you can't really do nothing about that.
Don't want to give us no missions.
Yeah. Well, it started late. Well, how you like it out here at Gridwall? How you like it out here at Gridwall?
It's been good. It's been pretty good.
Yeah.
Everything's been fine.
First time.
I'm enjoying myself.
Yeah. How you like running with TAR?
Running with TAR is one of the best things I've done.
Awesome, dude.
Pretty good.
Awesome, man. We like to hear that, dude.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, good talking to you, man.
You too, man. I'll see you out on the field.
Ah!
What's up, man?
Hey, what's going on?
Hey, what's going on, man? What's your name?
Dawson.
Dawson.
Yeah.
And what's your nickname?
Irish.
Irish. That's a cool nickname, man. So you got your flag there and everything. So how do you like running with TAR, man?
Oh my God, it's amazing.
Awesome, man.
Yeah.
How do you like it out here at Gridwall?
Oh, it's awesome.
You like it the way they have it set up, tanks and everything?
Yeah, but sometimes they can be a little
Yeah, a little Yeah, there's a little bit of stuff they're gonna have to work on and iron out, but yeah, man. So you're on the junior team. Explain how do you like being on the junior team?
It's pretty fun. Yeah, I mean it's pretty much just running with the big league, but it's really awesome. Yeah.
Yeah, man. We like to try to include the junior team in everything that we do, unless it's a MilSim event where we can't get the younger guys in. But yeah, man, nice talking to you.
Yeah, no problem.
Yeah.
So we have TAR XLARGE.
What's going on?
How's your day going?
It's been pretty good. Had a little bit of a hiccup early this morning. We didn't get any missions from command until later in the day, so basically all we've been doing is holding the hill. We did a little bit of recon out in the woods, pushed them back to respawn. Other than that, it's been a good day out here. Right now we're on our lunch break, but we're about to go meet up with command and see what we can get from them.
Sounds good. Getting some kills?
Yeah, a lot.
A lot of kills?
Yeah. After I got about 15, I stopped counting. Yeah. But I got all that on footage, so you'll get to see that later.
Reaper, you have a few words? No.
What's up, guys?
I got some words.
Yeah, we're just out here at Gridwall, you know, making it happen, trying to be the best team that we can be. Just having a good time. I mean, like you said, doing missions. This next op, we should be having some missions, so you guys will see some of that, like last Gridwall that we posted up.
All mine cracked.
Hey, you guys also need to appreciate our photographer. You know, she's right now behind the camera, the very beautiful Cassandra. She takes all of our pictures and she does all of our video. So, you know, if you guys feel that it's great footage and great camera work and great photos, then, you know, y'all go give her a follow. I'll put her up on the Instagram so you guys can check her out. But other than that, guys, this is Team Alpha Recon, doing what we have to do to, you know, to get more out there and get up bigger ops and stuff. So you guys stay tuned and y'all run right behind us, all right? Bang, bang.